Hi, we're here with Rod Cope, CTO of RoadWave Software. Rod, yesterday you and Andy Gutmans delivered the keynote for ZendCon 2016. What'd you guys talk about?
Well, Andy took us back through the history of application development, kind of starting in the mid-90s with the dial-up modems, and took us through web architectures and development through the dawn of the mobile web and up to kind of current web application status, focus on APIs and real-time communication. And then I took it forward to look into the future. And so I started with some fundamental technologies that I think are going to be around forever. Internet of Things, which gives us a lot of devices with sensors so we can know what's going on throughout the world kind of all the time. Augmented reality, so we can extend our basic human senses with the ability to grok all this data that's going to come at us and supplement our memories and help us in other ways. And then machine intelligence that kind of ties it together and makes us not the only thinking machines on the planet at some point. Again, hopefully in a good sense to help us take advantage of all these devices and sensors and technology and not turn us into slaves. We'll find out. Stay tuned for that. So based on those foundational technologies, I then looked kind of at life in software development in 2025, where we look at really the key is context. How do we bring all these pieces together with user preferences, personal experiences, their location, their desires, what goals they're trying to achieve, and tie that into our software. So it won't be just users going and running apps and looking for things and getting data. It will be suggested to them, hey, I know you, your personal digital assistant. Here's what you'll probably want to do now, and I will suggest that to you so you don't have to do all the manual labor all the time. And so it's about context and user experience in the future. And that was the talk.
All right. So there's a concept of Clippy in the future?
Yeah, Clippy hopefully will die screaming and not come back to the future.